Welcome to the Seashell box tutorial. It's going to be super quick and easy, so let's get started. You're going to click on the shell template and then you're going to go up to the top and then click on the color tabs to change it to whatever color that you would like, including the inside stripes. Once you have your desired color, you're going to hit share, and then our file type is going to be PNG, and we're going to select transparent background. And this step is very important. After we do that, we are going to upload it to Cricut Design Space and save as a flat image. Cricut is letting us know that this image is too big for the print and cut feature, so we're going to have to readjust the size. So we're going to change the width to 6.64 inches, and Cricut will do the rest. If you see this yellow warning sign, just ignore it. It pops up on almost every image that I try to print and cut. Now you're going to upload and add in the score lines, and over in the layers panel, you're going to select the score lines layer and then hit operations and hit score. So once the score lines are aligned, we're going to select both the score lines layer and the seashell box layer and then hit attach. Then you're going to hit make it, and you're going to see a preview of what your mat will look like. If all is done correct, it's going to say print, then cut, then score. So now we're going to select our base material and then go to edit tools, and we're going to let Cricut know if we're using a scoring wheel or a scoring stylus. I'm using the scoring stylus, so I'm actually going to select that and then get it loaded into my machine. Once everything is loaded into your machine and onto your mat, you're actually going to hit go, and then you're going to watch it scan, score, and then cut. After it's all cut out, you're just going to begin folding all of your score lines. Once you have all your score lines folded, it should look something like this. Now we're just going to begin by gluing and closing up the box. I pick one side, one tab at a time, and I work from the bottom up. The sides of the box will be slanted, aligning with the bottom of the shell, and then same for the walls of the side. The goal is that we can't see the sides of the box when looking at the shell from the front. So the bottom is slightly inward to align with the bottom of the shell, and the top is slightly outward to align with the top of the shell. Next, you're going to add your favorite candy for inside of the shell, and then thread some ribbon through the holes at the top and tie it off in a bow. And there you have it, your very own customized Seashell Treat box. If this video was helpful, let me know by liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.